Let's learn how to add a photo background to your Instagram stories. If you want to add any photo from your camera roll as a background to your stories, whether they are regular posts or Instagram reels, then follow my steps because this is pretty easy. Open the Instagram app on your phone, and let's create the story. I'll create the story by going over to my profile, and then I want to find the post which I want to share to my Instagram story. I have this cool lion photo with the tree in the background, and I'll share this to my story. I'll also add this specific photo as a photo background, because I think it will give it a cool look, but you can add any photo from your camera roll as your background, it really doesn't matter. I'll just take a screenshot of this post, and then save this photo to my photo gallery, because you will have to have the photo in your camera roll if you want to add it to the background. Now I'll share this to my story. And as you can see, the background of this photo has this ugly color, and we don't want that. What you want to do is to tap on this little sticker icon at the top, and then find the photo option in here. That's going to open our photo gallery where we want to select the photo which we want to add as a background. So my photo is added, but we have one more thing to do. You have to select your post and make it as small as you possibly can. After that, you want to put the post all the way down, but don't delete it by accident. Just put it all the way down to the bottom of the page. You then want to zoom in on your photo and make it full screen, but just leave a little space at the bottom because we don't want to cover our post. When you add the photo as the background, click on your post at the bottom until it is selected, and then drag the post to the center of the screen or wherever you want it to be. And you can now share this to your Instagram stories. When someone opens the story, then can tap on your post to view it, and you will have the photo that you've selected as the background. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.